I hope this makes someone happy. I hope this is going to make somebody happy. Back in Dominica, we have a Dominican artist. He's no longer alive, but he used to make music, and one of the songs is a Christmas song, and it used to call Chante, Chante, Chante Noel. Chante, Chante, Chante Noel. Sing-a-ling, hallelujah, sing-a-ling, hallelujah, sing-a-ling, hallelujah, Chante, Chante, Chante Noel. So that's a Christmas song in part where it's saying sing, sing, sing Christmas songs. Then in St. Thomas, WSTA Lucky 13, I used to work there a long time ago. And when December comes and Christmas music were playing, they used to play this one that's called Mama Beg the Johnny Cake Christmas Coming. Mama beg the Johnny Cake Christmas coming. Christmas coming and New Year's coming. We want to be merry with guava berry. Mama beg the Johnny Cake Christmas coming. Oh, that was so good. It's old folk music, but it was good, and we knew Christmas was coming. Now, in Florida, the United States, we sing. Let's see, which one can I sing? There's so many songs, I can sing. There's so many. Hopefully YouTube don't block this, but I love music. I love singing, I love dancing, I love having fun, and I want to bring a little fun with this stressful holiday season to somebody. So instead of doing a shop my stash this month, I am doing a little singing to bring you a little joy. So don't be stressful. Don't be worried. Cope the best way you can. Do the best thing you can and enjoy it. Please don't get stressful so you can get depressed and anxiety and anxious and all of that stuff. Just do the best you can and explain it to the people that you think that don't understand. They might surprise you and understand. So take some time and just tell people how you feel. If they say they want a phone and you can't afford a phone, you tell them, Mom, or whoever you are to them, can't afford a phone. What else is on your list? And go down the list until you can. And then when you find the one you can afford, explain to them why. This is what I can afford. And if they don't understand, guess what? They just don't understand. If they're your children, you hold them close, you hug them, and you explain to them, hoping that they'll understand. Because I know kids look for expensive gifts. They have no idea how parents gonna come up with that money this time of year. But explain to them. Explain the best way you know how. And then get them something nice that you can afford. Don't go broke. Don't go in debt. They will eventually understand as time goes by. But for now, a little melody and a little song, and the one of my favorite songs, because someone taught me how to sing the song when I was a little kid, 7 or 8, taking part in a Christmas concert. And they taught me how to sing that song. Oh, come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, bring joy, fun, happiness to anyone. This Christmas season, we cannot all be with everyone we love or everyone we'd love to have spend Christmas with us. We get to call them, we get to text them, we get to wish them Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, even though we wish they were there, but sometimes that's just not possible. And I'm talking about myself, because I'd love to have my Canadian family with me, but I know they can't because they plan to come in the summer of next year. So we just make the best out of it. We get FaceTime. Thank God we get FaceTime now. So FaceTime somebody and talk to them. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven, nature sing. Which one? Walking in the winter wonderland, sleigh bell ring, are you listening? In the snow there is glistening. You ever do that? Make up words for a song? I just did that. And you can do that too and have fun with it. A beautiful sight, so happy tonight, walking in the winter wonderland. Far away is the new bird, here to stay is the new bird. Have fun. Sing along, do-na-na-na-na, walking in the winter wonderland. Make up your own words. Have some fun with the song when you don't remember all of it. No harm done, honey. You're just creating your own thing. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. He's making a list. He's checking it twice. He's gonna find out if you're naughty or nice. I have been both Santa, and I still want my gift. Okay? Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Da la 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 la, boom 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 boom. Hey, hey, yeah. Everyone have a beautiful day. Enjoy this. When you feel down, play this. Hopefully it will lift you up. And I will talk to you soon. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I Simply You Makeup is saying to go out there, live life, have fun. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.